Want to look for Telegram channels that don't normally appear in regular search? Here's one method you can try. First, open your browser and go to Telegram website. Then sign in if you're not already logged in. Once loaded, click the search field at the top left sidebar. In there, type searchybot. Open the matching bot result. Then once opened, click start in the messages. Once the bot starts, use the message options at the bottom to browse or search for the type of channel you're looking for. Scroll through the results, and when you find a channel you want to check, click Open Channel. Then, Telegram gives you the option. Click Join Channel to join. Keep in mind that truly private channels usually require an invite link, so this method only works for channels that the bot is able to find or has already indexed. And that's it. That's the one way to search for our hard to find Telegram channels. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.